Hi everybody, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. As you can see, I've already pulled out the envelopes that I'm going to be stuffing today. What I'm doing with these is on the back of them, some of them has got what they're going for. Other ones are going to be, when they're finished, is going to go into the 100 envelope challenge over here that you can't see, but it's right there. As you can tell, guys, I have been working really hard. Look at the envelopes. I'm almost halfway with getting them stuffed. So when I finish a challenge, if it don't have anything written on the back where it's going to go in here. So we are going to get started. Let's see how much we got today. This is going to be the only savings challenge video that's going up. I've just been extremely busy and trying to get caught up on bills and stuff. And I'm trying to get the 100 envelope challenge done. That way, that money will go towards purchasing. I was going to do it for my mortgage, but I really need to get the plastic for the greenhouse so we can get it ready for the homestead. So, we're going to see how much we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold on a second. Miss Blossom, quit trying to eat that paper. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. We got $33 and we're going to see where we can get with it. As they say, a penny earned is a penny saved is a penny earned, and $1 that you can put into a small savings challenge to finish them up or just save whatever is awesome. This idea came from Lisa Grateful Me, her bag full of money. Of course, you all know I have a lot of her challenges, and they're all in this bag here. And we're going to get started, guys. Let me try to get a little room here. So I have a 3 in case y'all can't see it. So 1, 2, 3, another 3, a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. Oh, wait. 4 is up there. 5 is there. I might have boo-booed. I'm not for sure, but it's okay. 2. It's just all going to the same place, more or less, but we're just going to see what we can do here. A 1. Miss Blossom is being a little booger today, and she's getting me confused because I can hear her in the background getting into everything. 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 3, 3. So I hope everybody's doing okay. We're still frozen here in Virginia. It's finally getting up to 35 and sunny. But it has been, we still got snow, and it's been cold. 4. I am so ready for spring to get here, guys. Y'all just don't, we have been spoilt. We have not had this type of cold weather in years here. So we just been spoilt. And of course we was spoilt in the fall when it stayed in 70s and 80 degrees at the end of November. So we're just not used to this cold weather. 4, 3, 2, And I think we're at the last one, 4. Okay, let's see what we can add to these each time. Okay, so the first one with the car payment has got 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do is get my little pen here, and I'm just going to color in this 4 here. And I'll just leave that like that. So this one will go in there. This one is house insurance, and it gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 today. So we are going to do a 5 and a 4. So this one should have 13 in it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 for the house insurance. I'm getting excited about trying to save up for the plastic for the homestead. It's going to cost us almost like $300 to get the plastic. So I'm trying to save every penny I can. Still working on my change down there, so you know, if I have to, I can take my change to the bank and cash it out, but I really want to try to finish it too. So we have got, what's this one for? Cell phones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do a 3 and a 3. 3 and a 3. I love these little challenges. They're so cute. And I love the ideal of the bag full of money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 in here. This one is going to home insurance also. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just like a little sinking fund thing. 2 and 4. So this one should have 14 in it. It's just a fun way to save money. It keeps me interested, and it's just fun. I love these little cute envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What'd I say? 14? Where in the world is my math? 4 and 4 is 8 and 2 is 10. So my math today is off, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this one right here is Stock Up Supplies, Walmart Plus. If you all have not got Walmart Plus, it is the bomb, because my anxiety lately has been just really bad. And I went into Walmart one day and I almost had a panic attack, and I had to hurry up and get out of there. I just left a buggy and everything. I just couldn't do it. So Walmart Plus, for people who have social anxiety or depression or whatever, it's the best thing ever. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 for this one. So we are going to do, let's do a 4 and a 1. So this one right here should have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. This one right here has got 39. Hopefully we'll finish this up soon. And then this one down here, of course y'all know it's homestead supplies. I am ordering my chickens in February for them to be delivered in March. Hopefully we've got that finished. So we got 1, 2, 3 for this one. Let's just color this 3 right here. So guys, that's it for today. And I will show you what I've been up to here in just a second with the 100 envelope challenge. I'll show you the envelopes so y'all can see they are halfway there. I have just really been busting tail, and I can't wait until they're finished. That way I can show you how much I have saved by just rolling the dice or taking leftover money, tip money that I've got. I did run the register at work the other day for my friend, and I did make a $10 tip, so I brought it home and put it in here. So slowly but surely trying to get out of this depression state that I've been in lately, and I'm just doing the best I can with what I got. So with that said, guys, I will catch you all later. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.